Good morning, classics. Welcome back to your biology classroom. Once again, after exam, this is your first class, and I'm going to start chapter 7 Health and Hygiene. Look at your book. According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete physical, mental, and the social well being, and not merely an absence of a disease or infirmity. So, being healthy means having a good having a body that is a fit and a mind that is active. So healthy किसको बोलेंगे? Healthy having a good body मतलब it is fit and peaceful mind and that is always active. तब जाके उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Fit और healthy person. Any physical or functional change from the normal state that causes discomfort or disability or affects the health of a person can to be called a disease. So disease means it is a physical or functional change of a common or normal state of a human body, whereas he or she feels discomfort or disability or affects the normal health of a person. This situation is known as disease. तब उसको जब हम क्या बोलेंगे? The person is affected by a disease. Thus, disease is a deviation from the condition of a good health. A disease, also called sickness or illness, can develop due to any of the following reasons. So, disease can develop due to any following reason. Look at the points. Infection caused by the pathogens. The disease can cause by the infection caused by pathogens. Pathogen means usually microorganisms. Those microorganisms can cause the spreading of disease. They are also known as pathogens. Lack of consumption of balanced diet. If we don't take a proper diet, we may fall ill. Malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs. In this chapter you will learn malfunctioning of one or more body parts or organs. Malfunctioning matlab there are many organs inside our human body, so if some organs are not functioning well, then we may fall ill. In this chapter you will learn about types of disease, their modes of transmission, and the different ways to prevent these disease. Types of disease. Depending on the stage of life, when a person gets afflicted, disease are two types: congenital disease and acquired disease. So depending on the stages of life, when a person get afflicted, मतलब जब कोई पर्सन अफेक्टेड हो रहा है थ्रू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. So depending on the stages of their life, disease two type: congenital disease and acquired disease. Congenital disease किसको बोलेंगे? The disease that are present from birth are called congenital disease. मतलब जो डिजीज नॉर्मली बर्थ टाइम से ही हम लोग का शरीर में है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? कॉन्जेनिटल डिजीज. दे आर कॉज ड्यू टू द जेनेटिक एबनॉर्मेलिटी और अंडर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एनी ऑर्गन. सो बेसिकली कॉन्जेनिटल डिजीज जो है इट इज अ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर और डेवलपमेंट ऑफ under development of any organ. Some common example of congenital disease are color blindness, thalassemia, and hemophilia. So student, you will learn the definition as well as the example. So congenital disease किसको बोलेंगे? जो disease जन्म से ही हम लोगों के शरीर में है उसको हम बोलेंगे congenital disease. Normally this disease basically either genetic problem or under development of any organ inside our body. Example: color blindness, thalassemia, and hemophilia. Next, acquired disease. Disease that developed after birth are called acquired disease. they can be further classified into communicable and non-communicable disease. So after birth when we develop any kind of disease, तब जाके उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Acquired disease. Acquired disease further divided into two diseases. They are communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Next, communicable disease or infectious disease that can be passed on by an infected person to a healthy person directly or indirectly are called communicable disease. तो नॉर्मली जो डिजीज कोई अफेक्टेड पर्सन से कोई हेल्दी पर्सन तक स्प्रेड हो सकता है डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, उस डिजीज को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल cholera, typhoid, polio, rabies, malaria and so on. Whereas non-communicable disease मतलब disease that are neither passed on from one person to another nor caused by the pathogens are called non-communicable disease. तो normally जो disease basically कोई affected person से healthy person तक spread नहीं हो सकता है और पैथोजन के द्वारा भी पैदा नहीं हो सकता है, उस डिजीज को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायबिटीज, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स, किडनी डिसऑर्डर्स, vitamin and the mineral deficiencies, congenital disorders are also fall in these categories. Basically congenital disease or congenital disorders are non-communicable disease. So students, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.